Hey friends, welcome to the whimsical world of crafts. Get ready to see everyday items magically transform into fabulous fall fun. If you want to give it a try, grab a grown-up to help, and let's make some magic together. All right, crafters, let's dive in. Crafts are so much fun, friends. I hope you're feeling bright and ready to create today. Thanks for visiting and crafting along with us here at Whimsy Wood Adventures, where every day is a little spark of magic.